Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how I made this beautiful crochet rose hair paranda. It's simple, elegant, and perfect for any traditional hairstyle. So let's begin. To begin, I took white yarn and made 3 long braided crochet strands. These strands are the base of our paranda, so try to keep all 3 the same length. This helps the finished paranda look neat and balanced. I adjusted the length according to the style I wanted and made sure each braid was strong enough to hold the flowers. Next, I switched to red yarn and crocheted a long flower strip. The strip should not be too short or too long, just long enough to create a full, beautiful rose when rolled. I repeated the same pattern until I was satisfied with the length. Once the strip was complete, I rolled it carefully from one end to the other, shaping it into a rose. After that, I stitched the bottom securely so the flower would hold its shape. I repeated this process until I had made 6 crochet roses. To make the paranda look more attractive, I used 2 shades of red, creating a beautiful contrast between the flowers. For the finishing touch, I made 3 white tassels. I wrapped white yarn several times, tied it tightly from one end, cut the loops from the other end, and trimmed everything evenly to create neat tassels. Then I attached one tassel securely to the end of each braided strand. Now it was time to assemble everything. First, I stitched 2 crochet roses onto each braided strand, leaving equal spacing between them. After all the flowers and leaves were stitched securely, I gathered the 3 braided strands together and tied them firmly at the top to create the loop that will be attached to the hair. Finally, I checked all the stitches, adjusted the flowers, trimmed the tassels neatly, and my beautiful handmade crochet rose hair paranda was ready. And that's how I made this beautiful crochet rose hair paranda. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and handmade accessory ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.